Welcome to the project of solar powered automatic rain operated wiper. So in this project we have the input sensor is going to be the rain sensor. So from this sensor we are going to detect the rainfall, and the motor which is act as a wiper so will be controlled based on the signal from this rain sensor, and this signal from the sensor will be given to the PIC microcontroller. So here we are using PIC 16F72 microcontroller, and this microcontroller will read the signal from the sensor and it will control the servo motor. So PIC microcontroller motherboard consists of a 7805 regulator, and from the 12 volts it will convert the 5 volts, and the 5 volts will be given to the microcontroller. And in order to control the instructions, we are providing clock pulses from the 20 megahertz of crystal oscillator, and this is the red LED is a power indication and with the 330 ohm current limiting resistor, and a green LED is a programming LED indication and 330 ohm same resistor, and this is the reset switch. So in order to restart the microcontroller is a reset switch, and a 7805 is a regulator and a capacitor in order to maintain the constant current when there is a heavy load by the servo motor or sensors. And this is all about the microcontroller motherboard. And coming to this is a rain sensor. So from this rain sensor, whenever the water fall on this one, these two tracks will be conducted and the voltage will be varies, and that was given as input to the comparator circuit, and the comparator circuit will compare the input signal from this PCB and it will give the digital output to the microcontroller. And coming to this, whole system was powered by the battery, and the battery is a rechargeable battery. The battery ratings are, it has 3 batteries connected in series. Each battery of 4 volt 1 amp are connected in series, so that 12 volt 1 amp, and a solar panel is 12 volt 5 watts. So this generated voltage from the solar panel given to this battery through this charging circuit. So by using this charging circuit, we can charge this battery in 2 ways. Like here we can see the transformer or solar. If you want to charge this battery from the solar panel, so we need to connect only solar panel here. So then automatically the battery will get charged when we place the solar panel under the sunlight. Okay, and the switch should be in on position towards the left side. And if you want to charge this battery from the transformer, so generally in real time it's not required. For demonstration purpose, in order to maintain the battery safety purpose, we are providing this transformer to charge this battery. So if you want to connect the charging section from the transformer, we are compulsorily disconnect this solar panel and connect the power cable to the 230 volts main socket, and there you will see the indication of LED. This will be LED indication will be available whenever the voltage available from the solar or a transformer, and the battery will take 6 hours to be getting fully charged. So yeah, so after fully charged 6 hours it will take generally, and after that we can disconnect the charging section. And now let us see the demonstration. Just connect this, and this is the on off switch, the motherboard, and when it's switched on, the light will be blinks 2 times, and there will be a power LED indication same as in the comparator section. So whenever the rain or water detected on the sensor, so the one more light will be on the comparator board. Right, so like this, till the water is wiped off, then the servo motor will keep on wiping the water. Right, after wiping off, the servo motor will start wiping the window, glass door. Okay, thank you for watching demo. Yeah, one more I forgot about this charging circuit. So from this charging circuit, whenever we are providing the AC power supply from the transformer, these 4 diodes will act as a rectifier, and 2 diodes will act as a one unidirectional flow control. Nothing but once the battery is charging, if it is heavy voltage fully charged, then reverse voltage will be opposed by these 2 batteries.